Hey, what is up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I posted, but if you guys haven't seen my videos, pretty sure you guys probably didn't. It's a new channel. Only have like 3 videos posted. But a couple months ago, I picked up 350Z, and yeah, we're gonna do a little something to it today. It is right there underneath the tarp. I'm gonna go ahead and take the tarp off and give you guys a better look at it, give you guys some updates, and show you guys what we are doing to it today. So let's go ahead and do that, guys. Here it is. I just put this tarp on the other night. Actually, I cleaned it up, washed it. If you guys haven't seen my last videos, link down in the description. Go check it out. But yeah, I bought it a few months ago. It just sat in my driveway for like a month and a half or so. Haven't did anything to it. And then I finally, detailed it, give it a wash and all that. So again, go check out the last videos to see when I first picked it up and when I got it detailed and stuff. Detailed it myself. So yeah, let me go ahead and take the tarp off and show it to you guys. It's a bit windy today, so I'm sorry if the audio quality is trash. But yeah, let me go show you guys a quick look around. If you guys haven't watched my last videos, again, link in the description, go check it out. You guys will see how dirty and ugly this car was when I first picked it up. Especially when I let it sit in my driveway for like a month or so. This car was nasty. Previous owner abused this car. He didn't take care of it at all. Looked like he never even gave it a wash once since he has owned it. I believe this car had a couple of owners, but yeah. So I'll tell you guys like the details of it. It's a 04. Yes, it's a DE. There's a lot of haters in the DE. Yeah, it's not no HR. A lot of people don't want to give out the money for an HR. Because I don't really understand why people hate on DE so much. I mean, it is what it is. Understand HRs have like 20, 19 more horsepower or whatever, but yeah, still a cool car. It is a 6-speed manual. And trying to get no automatic Z. But yeah, guys, that is my Z. I picked it up a couple months ago for a dirt cheap price, for only 1,700 bucks. In my opinion, that's a steal. It is not in perfect condition. It's far from perfect. As you guys can see, the paint is. Here's the inside. And not bad at all. I mean, they're old cars. These cars be beat. People daily drive them. They put tons of mile on these things. And pretty clean. Has a Bose sound system. Let me know if you guys know exactly what model is this. I believe it's performance model. It's not the prettiest thing, but to me it is pretty for 1,700 bucks. Like, how can you beat that? It's very hard to find these cars in even bad condition under like 5 grand or so, 4 grand. So I mean, the market on these are going pretty high. I hear a lot about it. People talk about it. But yeah, so I picked one of these up. We're gonna replace this because this looks ugly. Just for a cheap and easy fix for right now, because I don't know what I'm gonna do with this car just yet. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to sew this up. This one would be easy. I don't know about this, but yeah, we're just gonna sew it. I know that sounds kind of whack to you guys, but I'm pretty sure some of you guys out there can relate. Again, I'm not sure what's the plan for this car yet, and so yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and do that just to make it a little better. Alright, guys, I have to go put on a jacket because it is a cold ass day today in California. Got my little sewing kit here. Got some. Guess this is. I don't know what it's supposed to be, like a grayish, blackish, navy bluish thread. Closest thing I could have find to match the seat. So let's just go ahead and start this thing. I'm gonna try to use this one right here. I think I heard those curvy ones are easier to sew with. I should go with the bigger one, but I don't know. We'll just try the smaller one first. I want to say. It wasn't too bad. It was kind of easy. Just throw the cap popping off. A couple times it would get like stuck and rip. And during the cold weather, my back and legs and hands are killing me. So doing this in the cold outside is the kind of a downside. But yeah, there it is. It's not pretty, but you guys can't tell me that it's not somewhat better. You don't see a big ass hole, some yellow cut sponge. This side actually came out pretty good. From distance, you can't even really notice it's been cut. This was like my practice one. I did this one second. I did this one first, as you guys can see. Second one came out a lot better, more clean. First one was a lot bigger, more wider. I thought it wouldn't even really come out that good. But realistically, it probably would have come out better if you have someone, a friend or family member that knows how to freaking sew. I don't know how to sew, so I just did this like my first time. And I'm satisfied. Looks a lot better than what it did. I say it's like a million times better than what it did. A few bucks fix and like 20 minutes of your time. Hey, it's better than nothing. Except for time being, it will do. Yeah, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of how it came out. Let's go ahead and take this nasty ass armresting off and put the new one on. And yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Get a screwdriver, but my back is killing me. I don't feel like going, so let's see if I can do this. Just do this with my hand. Oh, there you go. That's pretty easy. So nasty one and new one. I believe this just goes in there like that. These little tabs have to go down here. I'm not too freaking sure. No, okay, so I guess it just scoops underneath here. And then it should just lock in place. What a difference. Couple easy things to make a car look totally different car. Out with the old and with the new. Seat looks a lot better. Armrest looks a lot better. I don't know if this will change anything because this one does look a little beat up. I actually just noticed that. I got that for free though. From a junkyard, so let's go ahead and try to twist this thing off. Okay, see, that one looks so trashed. This one, like the rubber piece still cut. I don't know what is all that. I guess it's the half. This rubber is like completely gone, but that one just looks worse there. Gold threaded and stuff. I don't think this would probably make the radio sound better because I guess it's missed. I don't know if the rubber piece actually has anything to do with the connection of the radio. This one is missing a big chunk of the rubber. I'll go inside and test it. Still very wobbly like the old one. It was free. I am gonna just get the little shorter and aftermarket antennas. I don't know what to call them, but the little short ones because I hate these bigger ones. Antenna looks better. Doesn't have all that shredded shit on it. Better. Way better. My opinion, way better. Now let's check out the radio. See if the radio connection got any better. No. It actually got better. It was very staticky before. Yeah, it's way better. Alright guys, that's gonna end it for the video. I'm gonna go ahead and put the tarp back on the Z because it's impossible to keep a car clean out here, man. It's nice when you have like a 3-car garage or some stuff like that, or a nice shed tunnel or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I only have a space for 1 car, and that's my truck to keep in the garage. Black paint is horrible, so Z's been chilly out there. So yeah, we bought a tarp for it, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that back on there. But yeah, guys, like I said, that's gonna end it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think of the end results. Say a couple of details can make sure to change the look of the car, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, armrest looks way better. The seat, in my opinion, looks way better. Let me know what you guys think of the seat. I know it's kind of a bogus, kind of like a fix, but I mean, it is what it is. Like I said, I'm trying to figure out things, and I'm tired of looking at the seat like that. So yeah, I think it was a simple and easy fix. I'm satisfied. Hopefully you guys was satisfied by it, and you guys might do it to your guys' car. I don't know. Let me know that in the comment section. Leave a like on the video if you guys liked it. If you guys don't like it, go ahead and leave a dislike. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. That will mean a lot. Stay tuned for more content. Yeah, I have plans for the Z. I'm happy because it is not in great condition. That's actually something I like about the car. It's weird to say that. Probably sounds crazy, but yeah, to me it's a project, and it's not gonna hurt me to change anything about the car. Because like I said earlier, you get a mint condition Z or any kind of car, you're not gonna really want to change anything because it's already nice, and it's, you know, stock and OEM parts, and they're in mint condition. You're not gonna really want to touch it. When you get a project Z, or like I said, any other car that looks a little, you know, beat up, you're gonna want to buy new body kits for it, and you're gonna want to get a paint job, custom color, custom interior, change a lot of things up, seats and all that, and it won't bother you. It'll be fun and it'll be cool, and yeah. But yeah, guys, a lot of content coming, so again, please subscribe. Will mean a ton. I'm looking, one more thing, I'm looking to get an exhaust for the car. Probably one of the first things I'm gonna do. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys know any like affordable, good sounding exhausts for the 50Zs. Yeah, guys, again, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, stay posted, do not go anywhere. Join the channel, man. Come on, man. Z gang gang gang. And I'll see you guys in the next one.